Hi, I'm John, the Twisted Cuber, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the Masterball, a vintage puzzle from the 1990s. There are many different types of Masterballs. Most are like this. There are others, however, that are shape mods. The technique I'll be showing you today will work on any type of conventional Masterball. Let's get started. The Masterball is divided into 4 sections: a top pole, an upper band, a lower band, and a bottom pole. The pieces move horizontally, like this, and vertically with a slice move along any of its axes. First, we're going to solve the lower band, starting with the first 4 pieces. Look for the piece with the elephant feet on it. Here it is. This will be the lower band. If it isn't like this already, place the band on top with this piece upside down. Pick a vertical slice line and make that your 6 o'clock line. Make sure this piece is to the left of that 6 o'clock line. First piece we're going to place next to that is going to be the lower part of the elephant. It's right there. I'm going to bring this down like this. So this is to the left of the 6 o'clock line. Sorry, the right of the 6 o'clock line. Do a vertical slice move, bring this over, do another vertical slice move. These pieces are now matched up. Bring this to the left of the 6 o'clock line. The next piece we're going to be placing is the lower part of the Master of Ceremonies. It's right there. Bring this up a couple spaces like so. Do a vertical slice move. Bring this back over. Bring that back up. It's only one space away. Bring that over like so. Vertical slice move. Bring that over like so. Bring that up. This piece is now lined up with the other 2. Bring that to the left of the 6 o'clock line. The final piece we're going to be placing is this one here. That is the red floor piece. Bring that up the vertical slice move. It's going to be there. Bring this up 1 like so. Vertical slice move, bring it over, and we keep doing that until this is next to the 6 o'clock line. And make sure that this piece does not go past the 12 o'clock line. Do a vertical slice move, bring this back down, bring this back up, and the first 4 pieces are now complete. I'm going to bring that to the left of the 6 o'clock line. I'm going to turn the left side down, so this way these 4 pieces are protected. And we have the top band and the right side to work with. The next piece we're going to be solving is the white floor piece. That is right here. Now bring that to the the right of the 6 o'clock line, because what we're going to do is we're going to check this, because when this is all matched up, it should be like this, which it is. So bring this back down, and we will now place the pieces. Bring that to the left of the 6 o'clock line. And the next piece we're going to be lining up is the piece with the stool on it. That is right there. Now we're going to move this over like so. Do a vertical slice move. Bring that over. Bring that back up, and these 2 are now matched. Bring this over to the left of the 6 o'clock line. The next piece we're going to be placing is the white floor piece with the red and white pole. That is right there. So we're going to bring this over like so. Vertical slice move. Bring this back over. That is all lined up. Bring that to the left of the 6 o'clock line. The final piece that we'd be doing is the seal. That is already lined up. So we now have our final 4 pieces solved. Bring this over like so. Bring this back up. And the lower band is now solved. Okay, next we will solve the top band. Turn the puzzle over so the lower band is on the bottom. Line up a piece with the lower pole. In this case, I'm going to do the elephant. Now the elephant, this piece, and this piece are all set. What we're going to do next is we're going to start moving these pieces down. We'll start with swapping these two pieces here. Place these two to the left of the 12 o'clock line. The algorithm I'll be using is a modified version of the Rubik's UFO and two-layer cheese algorithm. What this algorithm will do is swap these two pieces and move the entire band 2 spaces counterclockwise. The pieces on the bottom band will not be affected, and it won't introduce a parity case like it can on the UFO and cheese. The slash line indicates a right vertical slice move on the 6 and 12 o'clock lines. The numbers are how many spaces you will move the band clockwise. I will be using the 6 o'clock line to count the moves, which will include which 3-space move I'm on. With both bands being the same color, it's easy to lose track of which one you're on. Slash 1, slash 3, that's 1, slash 1, slash 3, that's 2, slash 1, slash 3, that's 3, slash 1, slash 3, that's 4, slash 1, slash. We'll match the elephant back up. As you can see, this is unimpacted, and we have put the line back together. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to move this pole over to here. Place this like so, and repeat the algorithm. Slash 1, slash 3, that's 1, slash 1, slash 3, that's 2, slash 1, slash 3, that's 3, slash 1, slash 3, that's 4, slash 1, slash. Line things back up. And we're going to continue moving this over. Slash 1, slash 3, that's 1, slash 1, slash 3, that's 2, slash 1, slash 3, that's 3, slash 1, slash 3, that's 4, slash 1, slash. Line everything back up. Do one more of the algorithm, and these two will be in their correct positions. Slash 1, slash 3, that's 1, slash 1, slash 3, that's 2, slash 1, slash 3, that's 3, slash 1, slash 3, that's 4, slash 1, slash. Line everything back up. Now we have these pieces solved. Next we're going to be doing is bringing this over to here. Slash 1, slash 3, that's 1, slash 1, slash 3, that's 2, slash 1, slash 3, that's 3, slash 1, slash 3, that's 4, slash 1, slash. Line these back up. And one more time, and this will be complete. Slash 1, slash 3, that's 1, slash 1, slash 3, that's 2, slash 1, slash 3, that's 3, slash 1, slash 3, that's 4, slash 1, slash. Line these up, and the bands are now complete. Now we're going to move on to the poles. Starting with the bottom pole, turn the puzzle over. I'll be starting with the piece that says Masterball on it. That's down here. Just going to bring that up. Bring this to the left of where you just sliced. The next piece we're going to be placing with this is going to be this piece right here. Bring that over. Bring that down. Sometimes these can be a little sticky. Bring that over. And they're now paired up, and bring that to the left of the 6 o'clock line. The next piece we're going to be placing is this one right here. Bring that over like so. And we will continue what we've been doing before. Those are now matched up. Bring that to the left of the 6 o'clock line. Next piece we're going to be placing is this one here. And we're doing the same thing. And now the first 4 pieces are lined up. What we're going to do is we're going to bring this down, like so. It's going to be a little different this time. Going to bring these over, bring this piece back up, and then bring these back. All right. Next piece we're going to be placing is going to be this one here. And the same as before, make sure that that matches up, which it does. Bring it back down. And the next piece we're going to be placing is going to be this one right here. Bring that to the left of the 6 o'clock line. Bring that down. Like I said, sometimes you will have to do this on some of these puzzles. That's all set. Bring that to the left of the 6 o'clock line. Next piece you're going to be placing is this one. And that one's all set. And we'll continue the process to put that down there. And these 4 pieces are now complete. Here you have one of 2 cases that you're going to have when you're finishing up this part. You're going to have it where both sides are right side up, relatively speaking. So when that happens, what you're going to do is you're going to bring both completed halves onto the top and bottom right respectively. Do a vertical slice move. Bring that over to the left. Bring that back up. And that completes the bottom pole. In this case, you'll have it where this is right side up, relatively speaking, and this one is upside down. In this case, you'll just simply bring this over to the right face, the bottom right like so, bring this back up, and the bottom pole is now complete. Turn the puzzle over so the top pole is on top. We're doing the same thing we did with the upper band. Take a look and see how you want to start lining this up. And I'm going to start with these two pieces here. Now I take that back, I'm going to be doing these two pieces. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice, and these pieces are now lined up. Next, I'm going to start moving this piece over to here. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice. And we're going to swap this again. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice. And now we have these complete. Next, I'm going to be moving this over, the U. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice. And we're going to continue now moving both of these letters over and moving the star over to here. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice. Okay, and now we'll be moving the S to here, the star will be solved, the word will be solved, and the pole will be solved. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice 3. Slice 1, slice. As you can see, circus is now solved, the star is now solved, and the master ball is now solved. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. If you'd like to be notified of any of my future videos, please hit the notifications button. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.